Do you want to learn how to get your hands on some free Twitch bits in 2021 without having to pay a single cent? Well, lucky for you, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly that. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to drop a like on the video to help other people find this video. Otherwise, let's jump right into it. So you might be thinking to yourself, well, I used to be able to get bits by watching ads through Twitch. Unfortunately, they removed that feature not too long ago, both on the mobile devices and on the computer. So being able to get bits for free is actually a lot harder, but it's still possible. So let's jump over to Google and let me show you how to do it. First thing you want to do is go into Google and type in Twitch RPG, and then you're going to see this link that says rpg.twitch.tv. This is basically a platform that the Twitch staff have created that you can go ahead and sign up. Basically, you can complete short surveys in order to get Twitch bits. I'm going to leave all of the links that I'm talking about in this video in the description down below so you guys can follow along at home. So go head over to rpg.twitch.tv, and it's going to ask you to sign up or sign in. I've already created an account, so if you haven't done this, go ahead and click this Join Our Community tab right here. Click join. They're going to ask you for all of your different information and link your Twitch account, so that way you can go ahead and sign in for that. I'm already a member, so I'm just going to quickly sign in. By the way, I just want to thank all my patrons for helping make these videos possible. Link in the description down below if you want to help support the channel. So once you've filled out all the information you needed to and you've signed in with your account, you'll notice that you have a little dashboard here. This is just a little hub where Twitch can send you different surveys, so that way you can quickly fill them out. Usually they're related to gaming. Sometimes they're related on like energy drinks or snacks or alcohol or things that are related to gaming and the Twitch brand, so that way they can get some more insight without having to shell out too much money to random people. So in exchange for a couple minutes of your time, you usually get a handful of bits ranging from anywhere from 100 to like 500 bits at a time. You're not going to strike gold and make thousands of dollars doing this, but it is very nice just to spend a couple of minutes talking about stuff that you're probably going to talk about anyways. And the best part is that it's free and it only takes a couple minutes per survey, so it's really not that bad. So as you can see here, it says latest activities in this little box right here, and this is a new survey that I actually just got today. So if you guys attached your email to this, I'm going to go over to my email real quick and show you that I got the survey today. So if you see right here, it says from support, earn 100 bits with Twitch RPG, and I just got it today, which is September 27th, 2021 at about 1 p.m. So I literally just got it less than a half hour ago. As you can see here, basically they're asking me to complete this short survey. I'll get 100 bits. You got to make sure that you do this fast because only the first 400 people do it. After that, all you have to do is click on here to start. Hopefully we're one of the first 400. It's only been 30 minutes, so I'm hoping that we've gotten in fast enough, and luckily we did. So it says it should take about 5 minutes. Normally it only takes about a couple minutes. I would be surprised if it takes the full 5, and we'll get 100 bits for doing it. And it'll show up about 45 days at the maximum, so you can get it anywhere from the next day to about 45 days after you completed the survey. So let's go ahead through the survey and just show you guys what you guys are going to get expected for. So as you can see, it's have you heard of the following spirits brands? Jack Daniels, obviously I have. Fireball I have. Captain Morgan I have. Crown Royal, yes. Hennessy, yes. The fact that I've heard of all these, I'm not sure it makes me an alcoholic or anything, but hey, you know, it's for 100 bits, so if I have to do that, I will definitely do so. Have you seen any of these advertised on Twitch in the past 30 days? Honestly, I don't think I have on any of these, so I don't think that's correct. The rest of these questions are pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to fast forward through this. So there was only about like 10 questions or less. It literally took me less than 2 minutes to do, and it says, thank you for completing the survey. Remember, bits will be rewarded within 45 days. Look out for more surveys and stay up to date with the Twitch RPG member hub. So now if we go back to this little dashboard that we were at before, it's called the hub. We scroll down. As you can see, we no longer have any more activities, so we've completed the short survey. We're going to get 100 bits in the next 45 days. Took us 2 minutes, and it's really not that bad at all. So doing these surveys are actually a really great way to get your hands on some free bits without having to spend too much time. So while this is really nice and convenient for a lot of us, don't expect a ton of surveys to pop up. Usually you should expect one survey every month or every other month, which is quite unfortunate for those survey junkies such as myself that just want to get free bits, free bits, free bits. But you know, you got to work with what you can get. And honestly, this is the only method of getting free bits that I'm aware of, so you kind of have to take what you can get. But you can expect one survey every month or every other month, usually ranging from 100 bits to 500 bits. So that's an extra $1 to $5 in your pocket that you can give over to your favorite streamer. I hope you guys get some nice free bits with this. Drop a like on the video if it helped you out. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.